We're gearing up for a rainy Wednesday. Here's Brittany.
Yeah, tomorrow's going to be an active day, active morning for sure in the weather department. Flood warnings are issued as some of these river flood stages have fallen below the flood stage, but that they're going to be rising again as we move into Friday and over Saturday. So let me show you what's out there. The Oostenaula River near Calhoun, that's over Gordon County, that is at a minor flood stage until further notice. The Oostenaula River near Resaca, that's until midnight tonight, that's falling to an action stage, but then another minor flood stage is expected from Friday afternoon through Saturday afternoon. The Paint Rock River near Woodville, that has also fallen below the flood stage, but it's going to rise again starting Thursday, and that'll be in effect until Saturday morning. So that is what those green counties do indicate. These are river flood warnings. So this is how much rainfall our forecast model data is showing. Earlier today was showing 2 to 3 inches for most of us. I showed you the 15K run earlier today. This is our 3K, which is a little bit better in resolution, and it shows over Marion County getting close to 3 to 4, even portions of northern Hamilton. That's what that red color indicates. So we're going to get a lot of rainfall tomorrow. Tomorrow, heavy rainfall, and that's going to lead to some areas getting localized flooding. Remember, when we do get heavy rainfall too, water's a conductor, so potentially for some cloud to ground lightning with tomorrow morning storms too. All right, this is just kind of a funny graph that the Storm Prediction Center put out for tomorrow. They put a nice loop here. But the takeaway is, I do think especially those to our south, that's where we've got a better potential for the severe risk tomorrow. Time frame still from about 7 o'clock in the morning till about noon. Isolated, that is what this legend indicates on the level 1. So it's not a level 2, it's not a level 3. We're not expecting widespread damaging wind gusts, but an isolated strong storm cannot be ruled out tomorrow morning. All right, so here's the wind and hail risk. It's a low probability, it's 5%, so it's the lowest possible, and there is a 2% isolated tornado risk, mainly from southern Chattooga, Gordon, and southern Gilmer County. That has not changed from this morning too. A 2% probability means there's a low end, a very low threat. If we do get a spin up, it would be brief. It wouldn't be long-lived, and we're not looking at anything significant. But areas to our south, just a heads up, make sure you've got your weather radios on tomorrow morning, and make sure the notifications on your phone are selected on too. Remember, there's 2 spots they got to be turned on those phones. So let me show you the Vipercast. Tonight, I'm not too concerned. Here's midnight, maybe some rumbles of thunder to our west, but this is not when a lot of the ingredients get favorable. It's tomorrow morning, and especially after sunrise, once we get some of that sunshine and some of that heating. 5 o'clock in the morning, there could already be some heavy rain ongoing to our west, so watch for ponding tomorrow morning, especially for our buses if you're traveling west tomorrow. 7 o'clock in the morning, heavy rain coming down, and this is what we need to watch for. You can see how this kind of bows out from Bradley County, Polk County, and Monroe County, and over Hamilton, Monroe, Marion rather, and over Jackson County. It's that bowing that we need to keep an eye on that can bring isolated damaging wind gusts. Once that bowing ends, then the threat for severe weather will have ended. So by noon tomorrow, I don't see ingredients favorable. We'll probably have some rain coming down, maybe some isolated thunderstorms, but by 5, 6 o'clock, this stuff is done. So tomorrow's a storm alert weather day, but take a look at Thursday through this weekend and next week. We are going to be in a much deserved dry weather pattern.